I saw these super cute keycaps from Temu and I decided to give my keyboard a new look. This is my keyboard. It's the keydous nj80. Link in the description. I got this keyboard a couple of years ago and I love the clean look of it, so I haven't changed it up until now. The keyboard is an 80% hot swappable keyboard with a RGB backlight. My favorite feature is that it's Bluetooth connectable to multiple devices. I use it to connect with my work laptop, my home computer, and my phone or iPad. Since I haven't swapped the keycaps ever, it's a bit dirty underneath, so I'm using this chance to clean it up a bit as well. Now let's see how it looks with the backlight. I love how the new keycaps look. but I don't really like how they sound. The sound is a bit more hollow and plasticky than the original keycaps. We'll have to see if that's a deal breaker in a week or two. For now, I will enjoy how cute it is on my desk.